catch it or bought it? I leave you the time to leave the comments. I don't know who trusts in me anymore after the video that you already watched it. Who follow the channel know that when I tried to catch the octopus, they were very, very, very small. Now that you leaving your comment about if I catch it or if I bought it, I want to thank Lusy DeSantis, because this recipe is from Lusy, Lusy with a S. If, like Lusy, you want to share some recipe with me, you can write me down in the comments, like she had done, or you can write me on my email, cuoredicioccolato.it, chiocciola, I forgot the name in English, gmail.com, or even better, you can subscribe to the channel on Instagram, cuoredicioccolato.it, because you can send me the recipe in a private message, and plus you can share your picture with me when you make some of this recipe, or you can tag me when you post a picture of my recipe, so in this way I can see it. Now I think you have enough time to leave your comment. I will on the fire, because I will use my pot, my clay pot, and after the intro we will start with the recipe. After that we have on the fire, on the wood here in the fireplace, we take our pot far from the fire and we put inside 7 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 red onion, big one, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 chili pepper. I will use the dry one because the fresh one are still green. Coming back to the octopus, naturally I bought it, because the followers know that when I catch the octopus is always a big, big disaster. Before we put the pot on the fire, we cut the octopus in small pieces. Okay, now we can put our pot on the fire and go ahead with the other ingredients. 250 grams of cherry tomatoes, cut the tomatoes in two. Now we add 350 grams of potatoes. Usually I remove the skin, because I cannot find the potato peels. I opted the right name. I will use also the skin. So if you use the skin, remember to wash very well the potatoes. All our ingredients are ready. Now we check if the onion with the garlic and the oil are frying a little bit. If it's okay, we add the octopus. We fry again a little bit. After we add half glass of white wine, a little bit more, but it's okay. When the alcohol disappears, we add the tomatoes, the potato, and bay leaves, fresh bay leaf, collected directly now. We cover with a lid and we cook for 45 minutes. Wait in the 45 minutes, we take a parsley, we cut a little bit with a knife, so when our octopus is ready, we remove from the fire, we add the parsley and our octopus is ready. The octopus is ready. Now the best way to eat this octopus is with roasted bread here on the fire. So now I prepare the bread and after we will taste it. Spectacular, especially here in the open space, directly from the pot is even better. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to share this video with your friends. Any question, any suggestion, always down in the comments. Bye bye. Thank you Lucy, because it's very, very, very spectacular.